Hello, I am here, again, with a different type of question related to ratios. Our question is as follows. Elena is buying a package of almonds that weighs 2 pounds and costs $32. We have been asked the following question regarding this. How much does 1 ounce of these almonds cost? And as we know, 1 pound consists of 16 ounces. Now, first of all, starting from the given information, that is, starting from the information that 2 pounds cost $32, we need to write our ratio. We can write a ratio like this, 2 divided by 32. What is this? 2 pounds of almonds is $32. From here, if we simplify, that is, if we divide both the numerator and the denominator by 2, we get a ratio like this. 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 32 divided by 2 is 16. What does this mean? The price of 1 pound of these almonds is $16. However, we are asked how much 1 ounce of these almonds costs. What we know is this. 1 pound is actually equal to 16 ounces. So I can substitute 16 ounces for 1 pound. In fact, 16 ounces of almonds cost $16. From here, I see that I can divide both the numerator and the denominator by 16. If we divide by 16, both the numerator and the denominator result in a 1-to-1 ratio. What does this mean? 1 ounce of almonds is $1. The result we are looking for is that the price of 1 ounce of almonds is $1.